I know a lot of people who just think that some of us are here on YouTube to waste our time, but YouTube have a lot of benefit that so many people are not even aware of. It opens doors to a lot of things. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ada. I'm a Adaku YouTuber, and if today is your first time of seeing me, thank you. Welcome. And please don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And for all my newbies, I see you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. For my OGs, I love you guys for always coming back to watch my content. Thank you. But without wasting much of your time today, let's head straight into today's video. Like the caption said, these are my 5 reasons why you need to start a YouTube channel in 2022. Yes, I've had people ask me, I want to start a YouTube channel, but I don't know how to go about that. Guys, chill. Before I start this video, let me tell you guys something. I know a lot of people who just think that some of us are here on YouTube to waste our time, but I want to explain something to you that YouTube have a lot of benefit that so many people are not even aware of. It opens doors to a lot of things. It announces your name to the world. What's better thing than that? Yeah, I know some people don't want to be in quote known, but see guys, there are lots of opportunities that I can't even mention here that only a YouTube channel will open for you, which I think for me it's a win-win. You put in effort, you get a benefit, just like it is getting benefits of your reward or labor for even working in an organization. You get rewarded for certain things. That is same thing that happens here on this platform. YouTube rewards you with gifts, with a lot of trips for those who has put in so much work. Yes, a lot of people will say, I don't like to be in front of the camera, I don't like to be in front of the camera. Everybody here on YouTube is not in front of the camera. There are some people who are even behind the camera. Like there are some who do cooking on this platform that we don't even know their faces. All we know is that they do cooking videos. What is that thing that you think you love to do? I think it's time to monetize it by owning a YouTube channel. It will bring you money in the long run. You can start off first off with doing it, experimenting it, teaching people about something you love here on this platform. But I bet you that over time, as the year goes by, if you're able to meet the threshold of being monetized, you would definitely reap the fruit of your labor by making money. For instance, there are so many YouTubers who I know, big YouTubers, who has made so much millions just for being on this platform. So there are 1,001 people I've not met in real life, but I know them just because they are on this platform called YouTube. And I think everyone should be on this platform. That's my take. That's my honest opinion here. So number 1 is passive income. If you're one of those people who wants to increase your streams of income, you want to diversify your streams of income, I think owning a YouTube channel in 2022 should be one of the things on your mind. Right now, I'm not monetized, so I might not know how YouTube pays and all that, but I've seen big YouTubers like the likes of Lifa Ebitoyin. She did a video in January of how much YouTube paid her in 2021, and I think you guys should go check her out. And then some other people who has done videos of how much YouTube paid them. Check out the likes of Dima Ume, check out the likes of Dinah Ekweme, Nello Okeke, Tayo Aina, Wadamaya. These are big YouTubers who have made millions. When I mean millions, get out of this place, you stink with poverty, just for being on this platform. YouTube is a stream of income that people don't tell you about. YouTube is the oil company. That is why currently something has been trending on the internet where people come and say the internet content creation is the new oil money, and I'm sure so many people are not even aware of it. I've had people tell me, why are you always vlogging your life? See guys, leave it for me. It is my life. I want to vlog about it. I want people to know what I do on a regular basis.
Get it? Okay. If you don't get it, forget about it.
I'm not even ashamed to vlog my life here on YouTube, because I know at the long run, I know where my aim is, I know where I'm heading to, I know what I want from being on this platform, and I know that I might not have gotten it now, but I will definitely get to that stage. So if you want to increase your means of income, why not think about starting a YouTube channel? It will help you. I am sure, I'm very sure that it will help you. So if you're among the category of people who want to go into other ways of making money or passive income without going into business, everybody is not wired to be a business person. Everybody is not wired to be a skilled person. But you're looking for that means of making money, I think you should consider YouTube, because YouTube pays. Mind you, I've not gotten to the threshold of being paid, but I know I'll get there someday. And this is one of the reasons why I also started my YouTube channel. So I think it's something every other person should try. Anyone can try owning a YouTube channel, because that serves as a means of income. Number 2 on my list is no other thing than memories. Guys, let me tell you guys a story. There are times I just go through my laptops, I just go through my phone, and I watch videos like I can't even remember that those incidents had happened until I scroll through my phones and I see videos or clips from such incidents or such events. You see me sit back and smile, and I'm like, oh, now I understand. Oh, I didn't even hear what this person said the other time, but I can actually hear exactly what the person said from my video. Like, documenting my life history, documenting my life journey is one of the most amazing things I took up on, which is documenting my life here on YouTube. See guys, we don't know when we will leave this earth, and I think the best thing for anyone is to just document your life, document your journey. You don't know where you will be tomorrow, you don't know what will happen, so that when people look at this memories in form of videos, they come back and like, oh, the people don't even need to know about it. Some people own YouTube channels without making it public. They just send a link to probably family members. It's only people that are subscribed on their channel that can see their videos. It's only people who are like family members, who are like friends, people they think deserve to be on their channel that can actually see their videos. That's because they think that documenting their life history on the internet, when I mean internet, YouTube is like a hard drive where people come and drop whatever it is they have created. They come here and dump it. 5 years to come, 10 years to come back here, you will see same video, you see same quality, same memories. You're not losing anything. You just come back here, watch your videos, watch your stories, watch your pictures, and like you smile all through. You send the link to family and friends, they watch it and they're like, oh yeah, we remember this event. Creating memories is another reason why I think everyone should own a YouTube channel. Yeah, I said it. I said what I said.
Is it?
Number 3 on my list will be your originality. See, guys, let me tell you this one. Nobody does it better than you. Nobody. Like, I've seen people who are talented when it comes to content creation, but because they are ashamed what people will say, they are shy of being in front of the camera, they are shy of being even behind the camera, they end up aging without people getting to know them, without people discovering their originality. Guys, nobody does it better than you. YouTube is a platform that embraces everybody's originality. YouTube is a platform that is happy to have you on this platform. So what are you waiting for? Why don't you come in here and show us what you've got? See the likes of Adaku. Adanna has over 108,000 subscribers on her channel. She's not doing the most. She's not doing the most. She is not doing the most. I repeat. She is just being who she is, her original self. And people love her for who she is. People love her for being Adaku. You see her teach her children Igbo. You see her talk to her kids in Igbo. People love Adanna for who she is. So YouTube is a platform where you can come in and showcase your originality. And I think this is one of the reasons why you need to be on this platform. So if you're considering it and you're having second thought, you're second guessing yourself, come on guys, you can do it. And I want to see you create your content just because you've seen this my video on YouTube. I want to see you make your first YouTube video, create your YouTube channel just because you watched my vlog, just because you watched this video. Now let's go to the number 4 things on my list, and that is personal growth. Guys, I have grown from here to here. This is because for every content I dish out here on this platform, I do my research, especially when it comes to health related videos. I love being healthy. I love living a healthy life. I love anything health related, and that is why I don't just come and dump content that I feel I think I know. No, I have to do my research. I have to be sure what I'm saying before even saying them. For instance, before doing this video, I had listed out the things I needed to talk about, and then lo and behold, I had to do a research to be sure that these things I'm going to talk about actually resonate with people. I did my research before coming here. So YouTube grants you the opportunity of developing yourself when it comes to grammar. I've had several times where I spoke the wrong English, and after speaking I'm like, oh, I'm another grammar. Let me go and cross check if this English is correct, and then I go back and check the grammar is indeed wrong. So I come back here and I correct myself. What did I just do? I just learned a better way of speaking. I just learned a better way of growing myself. Apart from comedy, people who do comedy, people who post their complete movies on this platform, every other person I think that is on this platform for educational purpose has one way or the other gone through a research process before dumping any video you see on this platform. So YouTube grants you the access of growing by yourself. You know, it exposes you to a lot of things. It exposes you to, you watching a lot of videos, looking for better ways to improve yourself. Owning a YouTube channel in 2022 will help you grow in a lot of ways that you're not even aware of. Number 5 on my list for me, which is the final one, is personal branding. Guys, when people begin to know you on a certain platform, what does that tell you? That your personal brand, which is you yourself, is beginning to be discovered. People are discovering you as an individual. It gives you avenue for people to want to do business with you. It gives you avenue for people who want to trust you with their business, for you to run adverts for them. It gives you the opportunity for people to want to trust you with their money by paying you to also run an advert for them.
You don't know about it.
Personal branding, personal growth. YouTube is a platform that will take your business from here to here. I said what I said, yes. Just like every other platform, like Instagram, we have the Instagram influencers. It's the same thing that we have the YouTube influencers. So YouTube will help you grow your personal brand. Do you have a business you do and you're looking for a better opportunity to tell the world about your business? Hello, why don't you bring it here on YouTube so that people would get to discover it easily? Because YouTube is what? A search engine. There are times you're looking for something. Let's take an instance, where to get a job in the UK. Automatically Google pops out the answer to your questions with pictures, with videos, with words. What does it tell you? It tells you that YouTube is a search engine, and if you have your personal business, if you have anything you want to advertise to the world, you want the world to know, bring them on YouTube and people will get to find about it. Let's take an instance, Bro Shaggy brought his personal brand to YouTube and people are watching his videos. He's making money. At the same time, he's selling himself as a comedian. Another instance is Manuela, the Macangel companies. They didn't start today. If they didn't bring themselves on YouTube, people wouldn't even know that they are comedians. People wouldn't even know about them. So is there anything you're doing and you want people to know about it? Why don't you bring it on YouTube? Why don't you do short videos? You don't have to do long videos like we do here. You can create short videos, short tutorials for your businesses and post them on YouTube. And before you know it, it begins to bring in traffic for you. It's a win-win. You make money off YouTube, you also make money off your business. It's a win-win for everybody, and your personal brand is also being known. What do you say? In 2022, I want you guys to think about it and start up that YouTube channel that you've been thinking about. And I hope this video was very helpful to you. With this viewpoint of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that starting a YouTube channel in 2022 is the best thing for you. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. I love you. I love you. Of income, who wants to get other who wants to increase the means of income. That's a diversity. Hey man, please. Diversity. Oh, this truck should just go now. Which kind of wahala be this? Oh God of heaven. Hey, these vehicles will not let me talk.